Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the GS पेपर पैक्स टेस्ट सीरीज 2023। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन। ये भी गोपी चंदू की कॉपी है। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देख लेते हैं। फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन 1789 एंड 1799 वाज द पीरियड ऑफ द सोशल एंड द पॉलिटिकल अपहेवल्स इन फ्रांस which overthrew monarchy and established republic. Cases of French revolutions. Renaissance. Rational and critical thinking led to the secular, scientific and humanistic thinking. Bourgeoisie aspirations to be politically equals to clergy and aristocratic classes. Despotic रूल्स थे, उस पर कंप्लीट सेंट्रलाइजेशन था ऑफ पावर एंड लुई 16 incompetence to the curb to the court financial crisis. France revolution in America wars led to the increased taxations. Federalism government or federal laws failed to approve फार्मिंग्स करते थे, इंक्रीज करते थे फूड इन्फ्लेमेशंस को एंड बैड हार्वेस्टिंग्स टर्नड इनटू मास रिवोल्ट को. सिग्निफिकेंट ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड एंड यूरोप. क्रिएशन ऑफ सोवरेज नेशंस स्टेट. Napoleon separated ideas of the revolution liberally individuals right and nobles laws across the Europe and which leads to the modern nationalism and to old orders absolute monarchy. Serfdom and slavery were marked and inspired the revolutionaries in the Europe as well as the colonies across the above. As Betali Revolution, European Revolution of 1845, and thus French Revolution laid foundation of modern state-based or liberalization democratic ideas also laid intellect and social frameworks for growth of socialism and communication for modern world. American Revolution 1775 and 1783, also known as American, was independent and was the revolt against the colonials, however British. It inspired French Revolution 1789 and 1799 by following ways. Enlightenment ideas थे उसमें. अमेरिका डिक्लेरेशन कर रहा था ऑफ द फ्री एंड इक्वल्स राइट्स टू इट्स सिटीजन्स वाज साइड बाय द फ्रेंच पीपल्स. फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस थे. ब्रिटिश का टैक्सेशंस था. कोर्स टू अमेरिकन. Core to America Revolution, France Revolution in this the bar during its financial crisis Q6 the American success. It is demonstrated colonial powers can be the defeated and inspired them to the challenges monarchy. Symbolism, use of the flag and symbolism such as the Liberty Cap influences France symbols and iconography. However, the American Revolution is other different by following ways, and it is the primarily focused independence and preserving acting, exciting social and preserving, exciting social and preserving his exercise social order while the France short and radicals changes in the social structure. It had more unified social hierarchy and while others so class conflict lowers class and pushing for the transformation. It led to creation of democratic republic whilst others say Political tutorial leading to Napoleon as the emperor. Its influences is limited while other has the profound development across Europe, and thus the American Revolution inspired and founded first contemporary constitutional liberty democracy. The French Revolution was a watershed event in modern Europe history. Discuss its uses and the significance in the history of the world with the specific emphasis on Europe. The French Revolution started हुआ था in 1789 and ended in 1799. During this revolution, a series of events started by the middle class souks the upper classes. The pupils revolt करते थे against the crucial regime. Crucial regimes of 67's he monarchy. Thus revolution put the forwarded and its ideas of the liberty and fraternity and equality. Causes that led to the French Revolution. Social inequality and was the prevalent in French society. The clergy and the nobility formed the first to the east and were the mobilized privileges causes. They were exempted and from the payment of taxes. The third estate consists of peasants and workers, burdened and with the excessive and taxation with no political and social rights. The economic drain was falling heavy in the soldiers of the working class. Louis XVI wages many wars making the state coffers were empty. France's involvement on the American War. The faculty system of taxation was made the situation more complex. The extravagant and lifestyles of the royals added to the financial burdens, the unstable political situations, and Louis XVI was an extremely autocratic and weak-willed king and who led other life. 67 exercised clergy and which the causes angers among the masses, who were extreme poverty, widespread hungers. The 15th centuries brought other causes change in the French thinkers, who refused the divine right theory. Philosophers like the Renaissance and rejected the propagandas of the absolute monarchy and promulgated the doctrine of the equality of men and sovereignty of peoples. Significant of French Revolution spread of the revolutionaries' ideas. It is spread revolutionary movement across Europe spread the ideas of the liberty and equality and fraternity. It is challenged the exciting and political systems of monarchies, arts and crisis, and for representative government and constitutional rights. Promotion of the human rights. It is promoted and the conflict of human rights and which has become the concern of the modern democracy. Great finding of the international relations. For challenging and the traditional powers. Shortcut of Europe leading and towards end. Conflict that the received the continental emergency of the nationalism. It led to the emergence of nationalism or a The French Revolution was the watershed movement in modern history and it is basically started by many of the many countries. The American Revolution inspired the French Revolution, and it was the markedly different from its elaborate. While the French Revolution was a complex conflict and with the numerical treason, and causes the American Revolution and was